Hi guys, this is Anand from Life, and today we'll be talking about Excite Industries. Excite Industries is headquartered in India and particularly into two fields, majorly firstly into the battery industry and secondly it is into life insurance also. The company is the largest manufacturer of automotive and industrial lead acid batteries in India and the fourth largest in the world. Company has plants in India and Sri Lanka and dealerships over 46 countries spanning across 5 continents. Overall, if we talk about the company, the market cap of the company is 18,182 crores, whereas the sales of the company have been increasing at the rate of 10.3%, which is pretty good. In 2015, the sales of the company were 9,946 crores, which increased to 14,720 crores in 2019. Overall, the profit growth has been good, and the profit margins which the company maintains are usually between 5.5% to 6.5%. The profit in 2019 was 847. Overall, the earning per share of the stock has been increasing and has increased from in 2015 it was 7, which has increased to around 10 in 2019. So overall, the increase in the profitability and the earning per share has been at a rate of around 9.3%. Extrapolating this earning per share of 10 of 2019, if we see forward till 2024, we are expecting that the future earning per share of 2024 will come out to be 15.62 at the rate of 9.3%. Earlier, the historical band of the PE has been between 21.25 and 32.13. The price of the stock has been fluctuating between levels of 150 and 257 over the last 257 to 260 over the last 4 to 5 years. The current stock price of the current stock price is around 214 rupees, and if you want to find out the future expected returns that the stock can deliver over the next 5 years by multiplying the minimum and the maximum PE, we can get that the stock can deliver return somewhere between 9% and 19%, expecting that the stock price will trade somewhere between 331 and 501 over the next 5 years. The current stock price is 214 as I told you, so we are expecting a decent up move in the stock if it maintains the current growth levels. The auditors of the company are BSR Co LLP. The return on net worth and capital employed of the stock has been managed pretty decently, and the numbers are right in front of your screen. In 2019, the numbers have reduced a little bit. If you see, we've got numbers only for till 2018 because 2019, since the results have just come out, we were not able to fetch out data for the return on net worth and capital employed. But for the cash flows also, you can see on the screen till 2018 how the cash flows of the stock has been maintained. The CEO and managing director of the company are Gautam Chanerjee, and chairman is Bharat D. Shah. The nearest support is around 205 levels, so this is a decent time to get into the stock maybe. Further, the resistance of the stock is at 270 rupees, and the mutual fund and institutional holding of the stock is around 33%, which is pretty good. Overall, the company is ethical and it has a good name and is established in India and in the industry itself. The dividend yield of the stock is around 1 to 1.2%, and usually the company gives you a dividend of around this much every year. The total assets in the company stand at 22,440 crores. The book value of the stock is 64 rupees per share, and the debt in the company is at 13,000 approximately. So overall, if you see, the company has a decent amount of debt in the company and is leveraging it. So taking debt is not always bad, sometimes it is good also because it helps you with tax advantages. Talking about the forward PE, in 2020, the forward PE, we are expecting the forward PE in 2020 to be 19.57, and till 24 we are expecting that the forward PE of the stock will come down to be 13.70. This is simply calculated by divided the current price by the future earning per shares. That will give you the forward expected PEs of the stock. This method is usually used by research analysts, and all the research reports that are published usually give this number, but we find that it is a little confusing for the layman investor to understand this number. That is why we give you pure price range where the stock can trade over the next 5 years. So that is about it for Exide Industries. If you like the video, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you keep on getting updated videos, because the prices of the stocks keep on moving and fluctuating daily. So obviously you will have to be updated, and you will have to click the bell icon so that you get updated prices whenever we put in the videos, because many people say that the prices of the stocks are not updated. Obviously we can't update the prices every day in every video, so please understand that. And that's about it for this video. Keep liking and sharing. Signing off, Siddhant Goel for FinLife.